Let's find out how to watch sensitive content on Twitter or X. If you want to be able to see sensitive content, like graphic media and violence on Twitter but don't know how to change the settings for it, then you have come across the right video. We will show you how to do it in just a few very easy steps. The first thing you want to do is go to your web browser. Make sure you are logged in so you can see your Twitter feed. If you are, you then need to go the top left corner and click on your profile icon. After this you will see a bunch of options where we will need to scroll down to the bottom and click on the Settings and Privacy tab. When you have clicked this you will have to click the Privacy and Safety tab. The next step is to click on the Content You See option. When you are in here you need to checkmark the box in the top of the screen to be able to watch sensitive content. After you have done that, go to the search settings. Here you have to remove the checkmark from the Hide Sensitive Content box. When you have done that, you are good to go and you are now able to watch sensitive content on your Twitter feed. If the video helped you in any way, let me know in the comments, and also make sure to check out my other videos where I give tips on other Twitter features.